And also, this is Carduter Bluetooth GSM consistent. This is 2018 years new product. Why do you buy this product? In some areas, there's no GSM, GPS signal, or signal is weak. You cannot control your car by mobile app. So you need to use this new technology, Bluetooth technology. Now let me show you Bluetooth technology in this video. As you can see, this is app, this is GPS module. As you can see, no SM card in this slot. No SM card. I just simulate the working status. No GSM, no GPS. So I removed SM card from this slot. Now this is Android mobile. This is app from Carduter. This icon, as you can see, the icon is Bluetooth icon. When you see this Bluetooth icon, it means you can control your car. You can operate this app. Now let me show you lock, unlock, start, stop. Okay. When you find the GSM or GPS signal is weaker or not GSM GPS, you can use this Bluetooth technology. Unlock. I use Bluetooth technology to control the car. Lock. Okay. Start. Yes. Start. Now stop. Input passwords. The default passwords 6 digits. Stop. This start icon is disappeared. Now this is very easy. You control car by Bluetooth function. Now, and I will tell you how to set it and pairing this device to this GPS module. Two devices, you must pairing the Bluetooth. They have connection by Bluetooth technology. Okay. Now, as you can see, firstly, you need to open the Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth. You need to open this Bluetooth. Okay. As you can see, now I click this setting. This is Bluetooth on. Okay. This is Bluetooth. If pairing is successful, and you will find this is ID. As you can see, this ID will disappear here. This mobile will search this ID. It will display on this position. Okay. Now let me searching. Okay, wait. Okay, now open. Okay, open the Bluetooth. It will searching this device. Okay, now wait. Searching this device. Okay. Open it. Okay. Now searching device. It must search in this device. Yes, as you can see, device. And you can see this ID, and this ID 184027. This 184027. You must search in this ID. It means Bluetooth is working now. Okay. Go back. Okay, go back. This is a carded ID. Yes, it's a carded ID. Carded ID. Yes. Now Bluetooth off, on. Okay. Okay. Yes, as you can see, this Bluetooth icon will display again. Okay, it means connection is successful, pairing is successful. This is very easy about Bluetooth function. Can you do this like this video? Thank you. Bye bye.